Today, let's learn how to cut radishes. HomeCookBasics.com. Hey, it's Bob, Home Cook Basics. So today we're talking about radishes and how to cut a radish. So these little guys go great on salads and they have great color. They can be a great garnish to a dish, but some people wonder, how do you cut this little bugger? So we're gonna cover that today, and I'm gonna show you a little trick that I like to use that A, makes it safer, and I think it makes it quicker on how to cut a radish. All right, the first step is to wash. You wanna clean these little buggers as best as possible. You're trying to wash off any, fertilizers, chemicals, stuff from the farm, pesticides. Wash them really good under cold water. Next step is to get yourself a really sharp knife. It's really important when you're cutting these to have a sharp knife because they're so round and they can get all over the place. Now you want to go ahead and cut the ends off. Cut both ends off as close as you can to the root and stem end. Now in this step you want to take a small slice off the side. This is going to come in handy later and you'll see why. Now go ahead and flip it over onto that side that you cut the little slice on. This is going to give you some stability when you cut your slices. Now here's the whole process right from the beginning. Cut the ends off. Cut your little slice on the side for stability. Put it right on that side. And then go ahead and create your slices. So that's it, how to cut a radish. I hope you found it simple and easy and a little bit safer for the next time you try to slice this up and put it on your salad. So thanks again. Hopefully you'll go down and subscribe below and like the video. And if you want the full description of how I did this, visit HomeCookBasics.com. Thanks.